Good afternoon, students. Today we start our chapter 5, exercise 5.1, Euclid's geometry. And we start from question number 4 because of 1, 2, and 3 is very easy, so you may complete from yourself. So see your question number 4. Question number 4 is if a point C lies between 2 points A and B such that AC equals to BC, then prove that AC equals to half AB. Explain by drawing the figure. Okay. So we start. First to write exercise 5.1. Question number 4. We draw a line AB and one midpoint is C. Okay. Now see your question again. If a point C lies between A and B, there is a point C which is lies between A and B, such that AC equals to BC. Given AC equals to BC, then prove that AC equals to half AB. Okay, so we adding AC both the sides, we get AC plus AC equals to BC plus AC. Now you see again, AC plus BC equals to AB. So BC plus AC equals to AB and AC plus AC to AC. Therefore AC equals to 1 by 2 AB. We proved. Okay. So first solution is done. Now we go question number 5. Question number 5 is, in question number 4, point C is called a midpoint of line AB, line segment AB. Prove that every line segment has one and only one midpoint. Okay. So here again we use our question number 4. AC equals to 1 by 2 AB. Okay, and let me assume let the two midpoints C and D lies on AB. Then AC equals to half AB from question number 4. So if in a line AB, C is a midpoint of AB and D also a midpoint of AB, then AD equals to half of AB. So we can write AC equals to half AB and it is also equals to AD. It means AC equals to AD. Clear? So D is a conside of C. Here D is coincide with C. Therefore C is a unique solution. Okay, now we go question number 6. Question number 6, in figure 5.10, if AC equals to BD, then prove that AB equals to AC. There is a diagram. A, B, C, D. What is given? Given is AC equals to AD. Given AC equals to AD. AC equals to BD. Sorry, AC equals to BD. This is given. AC equals to BD is given. Okay. So AC equals to BD. Now we write AC equals to AB plus BC and BD equals to BC plus CD. Now, in place of AC, we can write AB plus BC equals to BC plus CD. So there is BC cancel. Now we have AB equals to CD. So we proved AB equals to CD. Okay. And you may try question number 7. Why is axiom 5 in the list of Euclid's axiom considered a universal truth? Note that the question is not about the fifth postulate. Okay, so you can try this question number 7, and you also try your question number 1, 2 and 3. Okay students, thank you.